Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, in the genomic investment world, whatever we are experiencing right now with CRISPR, we haven't experienced in a long time. So I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to make a few more videos on CRISPR therapeutics. It will be very small, but this is my way of sharing my happiness and enthusiasm with you guys, because I think you guys are also celebrating, those of you who are holding CRISPR or who are planning to buy. So this is great news. I just want to have a quick look at CRISPR therapeutics and give you my opinion on what I think is likely to happen next. So let's get started. Welcome back, friends. I think it's time for us to get into the TradingView platform and have a look at the price chart and see if we can see any technical indicators. So here we are in the TradingView platform looking at this price chart for CRISPR therapeutics. And I can see that we have already formed a cup pattern. So that brings me to a few observations out here. One is that we are on the overbought with regard to RSI for CRISPR therapeutics. We are above 70%, which is typically considered overbought. I have this red line out here for resistance, which is somewhere around 79.83, but I don't think CRISPR will reach there because CRISPR is not NVIDIA or CRISPR is not Apple or Microsoft. As yet, it's going to be, but not as yet. So I'm going to take this RSI seriously. However, the MACD is very, very encouraging. So there is a reasonable chance that we may go all the way up to 79.83 on the RSI. If that happens, then I think we have in target 730.38. That's our target. And we are also going to see a few more golden crosses form out here, which will be the 9-day exponential moving average crossing over the 100-day exponential moving average. So that could be the next best positive catalyst that we can look forward to. And the other thing that could happen is that when we come down, there's a potential to form a cup and handle pattern. And I'm saying that there's a potential for that to happen because Samarth Kulkarni had mentioned in his Q1 earnings release that we are going to have around 18 months of catalyst. So I'm expecting some data release or the other, and also constant flow of information about Casgevy sales numbers because they'll start recognizing it. So all those things make me feel optimistic that we are going to be in a situation where we will potentially challenge 70.38 and then start coming down again. And our ultimate support is going to be this diagonal line of support of the bull channel that we have here. But the path we are right now is unsustainable, that's for sure. The question is, how long is the exuberance going to last? And as it lasts, we are going to enjoy the process so far. So with that, my friends, I think I would like to say that greed is good according to Gordon Gekko, but at the same time, booking profits when there are profits is also equally important. I'm not asking you to sell your shares and book profits, but what I am saying is that you have to come up with a mental strategy that allows you to make sure that you're not traveling along the price roller coaster going down and going up and then going down again. You have to get part of it out at the top so that you can buy it back at the bottom and start making partial permanent gains rather than going up and down with the stock on an ongoing basis. Of course, but that whole thing changes if you're a long-term investor. So if you're a long-term investor, you buy a really good stock and then forget about the regular fluctuations, because in the long term, everything is going to do pretty well as long as it's a decent company making good profits and doing a good business. So friends, that brings me to an end of this video. So exercise caution with CRISPR therapeutics. As I mentioned, in this high interest rate environment, the share prices can respond to a stimulus, but after the stimulus is over, it's likely to fall back down and go into a consolidation pattern. With that, my friends, I bring this video to an end. Thanks and have a great day. And before I leave, please like and subscribe and help the channel grow. We want to touch 20,000. Your support is appreciated. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.